of stepping into a sweltering car on a hot summer day? Introducing EcoNour's Windshield Circle Sunshade, your ultimate solution to beat the heat. Tailored for a perfect fit, it offers maximum coverage and durability. Its adjustable design and compact size make it easy to use and store. Say goodbye to scorching seats and burning steering wheels. Keep your car cool and comfortable all summer long with EcoNour's Windshield Circle Sunshade. Get yours today for a cool ride every day.
Please test before installing to make sure everything is okay. Remove the screen and lens protector. Select the installation location on the front windshield of the car and paste the electrostatic sticker. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger, and use a crowbar to hide the remaining wire along the gap of the front windshield, through the A-pillar, down the door gap. Hide excess thread under the mat. Car charger connected to car cigarette lighter port. Rear camera installation. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger and use a crowbar to hide the remaining wire along the gap of the front windshield as car charger. After through the A-pillar. Hiding the power cord along the gap between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat, and between the rear seat and the ceiling. Removing the door rubber strips, the plastic housing and the interior of the trunk of the car. Thread the rear camera cable to the trunk, remove the car trunk roof, connect the red wire of the rear camera cable with the positive cable of the car reverse light and fix it with insulating tape. Remove the license plate light. Tear off the 3M adhesive on the rear camera and fix the rear camera next it. New upgrades to the rear camera can be fixed by the bracket, adjustable rear camera angle, GPS installation. Set aside a section of the line, hidden along the front windshield gap. Reach the A-pillar and down the A-pillar. Finally peel off the 3M adhesive, black side up, and secure it to the dashboard near the front windshield.
you.